Understanding a momentary reprieve. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, a momentary reprieve. This expression can add a lot of depth to your conversations and writings. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to get a clear understanding. I hope this video will enhance your English vocabulary and help you feel more confident in using this phrase. A momentary reprieve combines two important words, momentary and reprieve. Momentary means something that lasts for a very short time, a fleeting moment that quickly passes. Reprieve, on the other hand, refers to a temporary relief from something unpleasant or a pause in a difficult situation. So, when put together, a momentary reprieve talks about a brief period of relief or pause from something challenging or uncomfortable. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from everyday conversations to more formal writings. Here are a few examples to show you how it's done. After hours of relentless rain, the sun peeked through the clouds, giving us a momentary reprieve from the storm. The weekend offered a momentary reprieve from the stress of work, allowing me to recharge and prepare for the challenges ahead. During a tense meeting, the unexpected joke served as a momentary reprieve, lightening the mood for everyone involved. While a momentary reprieve is often used in positive contexts, it's essential to remember that the relief it refers to is temporary. This phrase beautifully captures the essence of a short-lived break or pause, emphasizing both the relief and its fleeting nature. It can add a layer of depth to your language, allowing you to express complex feelings and situations succinctly. A momentary reprieve is a powerful phrase that can enhance your English communication, adding both precision and emotional depth. It reminds us of the temporary nature of relief in challenging situations and encourages us to appreciate these brief moments of respite. I hope this video has been helpful and that you're now more comfortable using this expression in your conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.